Yeah, hi everyone. I want to give some information about in-text referencing. That means citing sources, books, articles, websites you have read to help you write your essays and reports. First of all, maybe ask yourself some very basic questions. Why have you come to study at university? And some simple questions deserve some simple answers. Obviously, you have come to university to learn. And how do you learn? You learn, well, by coming to your classes, and you also learn through reading. You show your reading, you show what you have read when you write. And in your writing, you show what you have read in references. So just to repeat that one more time, very important. Obviously, you've come to university to learn. How do you learn? Well, through reading. Then you write essays, reports to show you have read, and the particular things you have read, the websites, journal articles, books, you show that in your essays and reports in references, in-text references. You cite the sources. Here's a paragraph taken from Skills for Study at the end, one of those essays. It's one paragraph, starting, well, at the start of the paragraph, looking through this quickly. How many in-text citations can you see? Just go through that very, very quickly, skim it, and how many can you see? Okay, I have noticed 1, 2, well, 3, 4. Let's show them in red. Okay, I must apologize. Someone is drilling holes in the walls next door. I hope you can't hear that. Okay, here they are in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one from a report by UNESCO, the first one. One Vincent Lancrin, another one by Vincent Lancrin, the same one, and the final one is by someone called Jacobs. As you can see, they are all pretty much the same. UNESCO, 2009, 215, Vincent Lancrin, 2008, 268, next one the same but 273, Jacobs, 1996, 155. I think you know these things. The first thing, go to the first one. UNESCO is the person or the company which produced the writing, the author. After that you have the date, the year of publication, and after that the page where you got the information from. So the first one, page 215, next one, page 268, the next one is the same authors, page 273. The final one's a bit different. Jacobs, 1996. You can see here I've used the name Jacobs actually as part of my text, like Kevin said it's gonna rain tomorrow. Jacobs said, for instance, or Jacobs claims, because the name of the author is actually included in my main writing. Fine, I've got it anyway. I don't need to repeat it, but I must still put the year and the page reference. One general thing about all these references, none of them are quotations. I've taken the information, or the writer of this has taken the information, or these percentages and dates from the sources. Obviously he did not know this, the writer did not know this. He's got the information from what he read. You must cite things like that. There's no quotations here. If you are quoting something word for word, alright, do the same thing. Author's name, year of publication, and page reference where it's from. If there's no page, like a website, okay, you can't write one. Their problem, not yours. If there is no date available, be careful. Websites do have dates. Look carefully, go to the bottom of the page. But if there really is no date available, just put the author's name, then you can put n.d. n.d. which means no date. So just to repeat finally, if you're paraphrasing, you're taking information from the source and rewriting it in your own words, you must cite references. Also, if you're quoting, you must cite references. The in-text citations are like a shortcut. The full information, the full references are at the end of your work. And here is the full list of references. You can see here 1, 2, 3. There's Jacobs, 1/3 of the way down. Then, the first one, Altbach, Reisberg, Rumley, that's the report prepared for UNESCO. There it is, UNESCO. And the very last one is Vincent Lancrin, and the date also. We'll worry about doing the full list of references at the end later. For now, to go back, what you have to do next week, your report essays in class, is make sure you give in-text citations. 1, if you're quoting anything. 2, anything you are referencing, you've paraphrased it, put it in your own words, you must give an in-text citation. Okay, good luck, go in peace, and bye.